Okay then, so today I am working on the login system, or not login, it's the player login system, but it's something similar, and yeah, that's what I'm working on, so I'm sure I can use it, but we'll stick with it, too bad. So far I have the chat open, anything like that. This shall be fine. Don't know if my Discord open. Anyway, so yeah, we're looking at the recon system, which feeds into the log system, and so recently I've added some new stuff to this. Big thing I'm working on is the inventory redesign. Probably should get the other channeling as well. We still have this script error, which we have had from pretty much day one of the JVS server. We've got all of this stuff which we need up, printing, and making sure all this merges together. Nothing I want to redo is scoreboard and a whole load of the other power. If we look at inventory, we literally have this. It's messy, I don't like it. The script errors there. Okay, the script errors need to fix. Yeah, in general, I'm not happy with the feeling of this. That's nice. It's just, I'm thinking I want to go for the proper slot inventory, which I am believing that I'm able to do now. So that's what I'm going to give a try. So, yeah. That's what I'll be doing probably today or tomorrow. What do you mean I don't have internet? Because I'm connected to my hotspot. Do I have my hotspot still turned on? I do. Gives a small insight into my world. Hopefully nothing too bad. So yeah. There you go. Authentication error. Thank you. Yeah, so this was the old system where it was destroying the player stats. With some modifications, you might be able to tell. Am I logged in? Oh, wow, that's a great insight into YouTube there. Are we logged in? Let's hope I can find my... Oh, look at that. Nope, nothing. Still nothing. Very helpful. Channel. There you go. When I move to channel, only one person comes up. That's nice. There you go. Okay. And currently no one watching. That's a shame. Let's get started. Okay then, so I'm on the section here. So this is all very nice. of all of this, but the main issue right now is that if I'm wanting to make this modular, I'm going to want to make this as easy to do as possible. So what I'm going to do is, we already know where we're storing this on the table. So if we have, we're going to create a dictionary. We're going to create an array with a function in it. Which we will use instead. Okay. I can't think of the name for it right now. So one is equal to name. So name is something which has to happen. So wait, why am I saying equal to a table? I'm saying equal to a function. The ID and the function, or do we just need the ID? I think we might just need the ID. So the ID is the player ID that we're going to be using. And then we're just going to come on here, so this becomes their name. So to get the name, we do a name from that, and this becomes our char. Then our name, we generate send in the character. There you go. That's that down. To another name, and now we just same name. This is the first one. 2. Number 2 is football. This is a big messy one. Good parts, there you go. And this is the reason why I think even with a character limit of 20, still might not be able to support it. So, ooh. Interesting. All this messy code could have been improved by judging those tables and stuff, but then this is, I have foresight for what it is. But you know what it was, what the issue is yet. Can't do anything about it. Okay, look at that, I've got scripters. That's interesting. There you go. Wonderful people have. I got a message from, okay, not a problem. Okay then. So, powers are equal to, no, I can't do that. So this is the big problem at the moment, is I've got the powers attached to a player meta table, and I can't exactly shift that easily. So, great. Time to make another massive duplicate function. either that, or what I can do. No, because look, you've got the self-give here. So, if they have to have had this at some point, like, they will have had the function, so we know that is the case. So here you go. So what this does here is it basically says we have the power, so let's go ahead with it. Anyway, if you notice it doesn't get added in otherwise, it's not here. Okay then, so the powers and then ID is sent through ID that. This doesn't appear to auto sync. Good thing. I'll probably have this not auto syncing. So instead of having an ID, we'll just use a jar ID. There you go. And now I can just send this through with an ID. And now we can start concatenating our string together. So local SDI is equal to that for index power and powers so far there's a bit of an issue of I'm unaware of exactly probably should make this window smaller a bit, but I'm currently unaware of how I've been too long since I've written the power. So steady here. 13. Thank you. Now, one of these days I'm going to accidentally send a command in that I really do not want to do. But like, it is a pain to do stuff in this thing. Yeah, it's 13. 99. Ooh. Ooh. Okay then, that makes that fairly obvious. We don't have a class system that we're able to use. So we can remove this entire code here. And they're not going to have a temp level, so there you go. So there you go, so what you can see from this is that this variable is just used to count up for if you have extra things, so it's not needed. And then this is showing you the capital mode for the power. So probably should move this to a variable somewhere else, but it doesn't matter. I just realised we store this. So there's a local power level is that, and then power level go, and then we return the power level as well. So what this gets us then is a table.power. I did forgot to save that. There you go. Number expected got to table. Is it cause we have two of these? That could be it. Here one. Okay, no, this isn't. Do one more thing. So you get powers returns two things, and that's what we need to be concerned with. Why not? Let's try now. Let's do it right now. Why not? Okay then. So we've got a look at the powers here. So we have confirmed. No, we haven't confirmed yet. We don't actually know if these powers exist. We're just going to assume that they do. Well, actually, we know that they exist if they have a power level about them. So if there isn't a power level about them, we can just ignore them. And I'm not slightly confused why there isn't a check for that in there. Powered up power, how wonderful. And now powers looks wrong. Do you ever just code something? I mean, probably might be down. I mean, when I code something for too long, or I look at something for too long, I then start to question, is that that's about there? I don't think most people watching this have been really coding for ages. So power level, definitely got level. So then we str is equal to power.power. Power level power.power. That's wonderful. And then we merge in a slash n. There you go. Equal to an str. There you go. And so now we will merge all the powers together into one concatenated string. And then we return str. There you go. And that is full power point. So we get that we have gone with their level and not their experience because we don't really care about that. Good XP is to find powers. Anyway, so what is our next one that we are going to have to write? Spirits. Yeah, I thought that was going to be a pain. So this is going to be a whole load of database calls. Like, stats is nice, I've already got the code for the stats, that's it down here. Okay. So, okay. Okay, so if we have a look at the code that we're doing at the moment, we need to basically try and work around our current if that we have, which is the big problem. Actually, no, I was writing stuff up above, I got distracted. But jump into something slightly easier. So this was the spirit section. So we have to look inside of this one. We're not fast about the spirits. Like it's an advantage, but to be honest, you don't care about that. I don't need to go down. Ah. Simple thing. There you go. That's what I thought about. I really should make these networking functions better. There has been some interesting talks in one of the Discords that I'm in at the moment, which are talking about work and stealing and stealing assets, well, not technically stealing, but using them, which could technically be viewed as stealing. So you have people which are so people have been taking, for example, from King Bombs, they've been taking assets from its maps, because of course how nice they are. And then we've been just talking about how if you were having a look over, people would absolutely hate you for stealing code from the client side. Oh, that's nice. Some of these stars are peeking into these. I wait. Like I talk with a lot of them at the moment. I've gotten some very skilled, but they've gotten people which are able to convert stuff, and then a lot of them have been working on converting some of my pals which I made for Robot Boy base into the ALCS saber base, and then you've had other things like that. So you've got one of my friends he has found one of my really old development videos for a product which I'm going to be revisiting shortly, and he's basically remaking them into force powers. Though so far he's only found the good version of that, where I showed off the powers I absolutely love. So the powers, this was like ages ago when I had effects of, I had no idea what I was doing back then with effects. I still don't really know what I'm doing with effects. I mean, I'm better than I was, but back then I didn't know anything. I was trying to make everything work with whatever would work. Like I was jumping between databases, things, I was concatenating things. It was a mess. Despite all of that, the admin system I made for that, for the character modification, was probably the best one I've ever done. It pains me to say that, because it was my favourite one, but then also I then had corrupt admins working on it, and so they made themselves super OP because they could set their health. Yeah. I had no logging system back then, like I do now. Anyway, that's a bit off topic, got very distracted there. I'm not actually sure what is meant to be here, so let's just do a print for this. Come on, lower, underscore run, print. table. And the ID I'm wanting is 13. 2. Other ID. So we're looking at Spirit Other ID. So local O ID is equal to Spirit dot Other ID. And now this is the fun thing. Local name is equal to character. We need to go through all of this, so we get the character name, or we get the character name from ID, which is technically the wrong name of the file thing, but we take the OID and we put it into the. So we now technically have the name. I'm not wanting to do a index, so I'm thinking kind of like one name kind of thing. So again, we create a local string which we leave as a blank string. We then start working on concatenating this into one thing. So we do a index to the dot str. I'm just going to do this twice so it's nicer to handle. So put a space here, it fits on the screen better. Then we do a name dot and then a slash here. There you go. We might have issues, we can check this out later. But definitely we've got 2 players on the server at the moment. Which is one thing that I'm happy about the Christmas sale is that I was able to get a copy of Garry's Mod for about £3. So it's great. It means that I'm able to get another copy of Garry's Mod nice and easy, and then I'm using an application known as Sandboxy to run 2 of them at the same time. So this is, yeah, it's very helpful. So yeah, okay, so I've got that now. So do I need anything else in the spirits? I don't believe I do. Okay then, so I believe that's all we need in that, so just send a message to someone. So we take that then, and now we move on to our next function. So we have 2 of these left to go. Our next one is stats. So this is really good. And you can kind of tell literally from the first line of most of these what this is. So okay then, so now let's start working on the stats. So stats is a fairly simple thing to do because I've already got it here. There you go. Done. And the 5th one is corruption. This one I feel like I need to do some recoding for. So corruption is basically how well you sway. Is how you sway. Oh, DB is database stuff. There you go. This is the algorithm. I mean, it's nice. again, you have the issue of the algorithm. So what we're actually going to do is we're just going to catch the algorithm actually out. Local corruption. Function X, and then you just return x out of 2 to the power of 3, and then we just return this with corruption algorithm of x, and this we just send in a corruption algorithm of 0. There you go. Surely there's a better way to do it than that. Because it does already have the absolute numbers, so actually it's not comparing too much. So I can do that. That's already faster. And there you go. Now, code. I really should have stored this on characters. If I stored it into the character list or something, and it's not reliant to be reliant on the characters there, then that would be so much easier to handle. Technically what I could do is get the corruption database and stuff and make these localized variables. Yeah, localized functions I mean. Because it's just that. Anyway, so there you go, that's all of that. And corruption database, again, we just... Oh, that's where it is. I've been getting that printed console for ages and I've been trying to figure out where it's been coming from. And I had to put it out. But there you go, if I take that, hey, there you go, so self-charge on the line, comes out. Very nice of it. There you go, so we have value, we return value, or return at 0. Perfectly well there. So now we, so X becomes the corruption level. So if we were to look in game at this guy, our side is dark and our X is 11. You can see up there. And that's what that becomes. So we now get corruption, and we send the ID that we are using. And now we just store this, so we have level, side, cool. So we don't worry about core isn't something we care about, so we're not going to keep it. So we localize it as string. We don't technically need to localize the string here. We could just return the string, but I believe there isn't that big of a difference in how intense it is. So I mean, this is an intensive function. That's this stuff. Not that messy. Where is it? This is messy. This one. There are better ways of doing it. If I were to redo this to this system, I would make it less intensive. I mean, there's many ways that could be done, but as of now, probably what I would do is I'm thinking brackets. I don't remember what it I'm thinking brackets. I don't remember what I did before. We've already done something like this. It is effect system. Oh, it was 4 cents. Effect gift. It's been too long since I've used this command. It's very helpful command. Give effect. Then underscore. There you go. Let's have a look at this. Yeah, there you go. Use brackets. I actually really like how this turned out. I never finished it though with the polygons and the colouring for it, but we need to finish it. So we have a space there, we go with that. And technically, I really should get around to seeing if I'm able to create a system which allows me to do the percent stuff you have in Python, and there has to be something for that in Lua. There you go. So actually what we're going to do is we're going to do a not value. So if we don't have that value at all, there are much better ways I can do this. If we have never encountered that value before, then that is concerning, but I feel like I might end up repeating code here, so I might not want to do that. We have got the value, we then do a player log. Player log functions. There you go. Let's just call it that. So player log functions 1. Player log functions 1. There you go. So we've got my name. Well, I haven't got my name. We've got the name, which we'll be using. Don't know why I did spirits. So we've got the name. What we want. We have a name up here though. Which we don't need. We don't need any of that. Do I need any of this? So we have the name. Got the name now. Technically, actually, we will always update the name, so we don't need that. We will need an is value because in case we are going to be updating stats here. So we will actually be needing the new name. So name, it is something we can do. We always know that we're going to need to update the name. So we take a 1. Now local str is equal to player log functions, and then we use the number we got there. So there you go. We take that value we've now gotten, and so we now have a name and an str, and we have a type. So we can start formatting our table. So name becomes name. Understandable. So force power is equal to value dot force power. we're just gonna remake the table, I say. Because, yeah, so force power, so look at that. Spirits is equal to button.spirits. Corruption is equal to value dot corruption. There you go. This becomes local table. Local table is equal to that, and then table, and this is where it gets messy. You can see this. It's just SGR. And now, bonus for is if we have value, which we will be using. So if we have value, then what we'll be doing with that. Okay, so if we have the value and we have that, we are just going to be doing an SQL update. So we update to what we want. Okay, look at that. So we update, then we're going to use the table, which I think is beyond for logs. Beyond logs, and then we're going to set. I think I'm just going to do a query system. That'll make it easier to be able to drop down line once it's doing it online. Yes, so more right, so we're going to set and this is a real thing. So we set self enums. How many times have I used that? One, two, too many times. Local enum equal to self.enums. Type C. So enums, type C. There you go. So we now have the enum, what we use instead, and now we SQL str the enum. We don't actually need to do that because it's a perfectly valid thing. It will always be something that it can handle. So we set equal to, again messy, SQL str. If I'm updating two things, wait, no, hang on. If value, if we have value, and if they have been here before, we update that thing, enum equal to str, where id is equal to, and action is equal to, and type is equal to. Essentially, we're not looking at the enum here. enum is later on. Enum is in the conversion system. Is at the value. Let me look at the type. Is what I'm more concerned with. And type. There you go. So we don't actually need that there anymore. There you go. Where ID is, and this is what I wish. I'm going to make a var statement, so make a var is equal to where ID equals ID and where ID is equal to ID, and then we had faction, and then faction. I don't know why I'm not. I didn't do that one. And faction is equal to. Faction is equal to a string. SQL str faction. I should cache that probably. So now Phyllis will need to look at this then later on, due to the fact that we don't know exactly if the variables are correct. I hope they are the correct variables. Oh, what's that? That's an interesting link. Ah, Death Star. Cool. Okay. There have been so many things about Death Star. Okay, about 5 the Discords I'm in. There's been something about Death Star. It's a Death Star. Okay. It's not that big. It's King Bomb, so I guess it, for a lot of people it is fairly big. But it's still not that big. Going on and on and on and on and on and on about it. Like it's like Christmas has come out. Technically, I guess it is an early Christmas present, but it's still Christmas. It's not as big as people are making it out to be. And it's slightly annoying. Like, there you go. So we got that. So we have a wonderful query there, and now we update the logs. We set value equal to our new name. And we do it where ID equals ID and faction equals SQL str faction and type 1. And then there's a space there. Space there, there you go. Right. So these two now have exactly the same query. Or one of them is exactly the same query. The other one is slightly different. Let's start writing. Insert youtube.bl underscore logs. So we have ID, faction, type, values, and this is where it gets nice. So we have the ID, so we'll just put the ID straight in. Put a comma, we're now working, and we're now working with the faction, right? Here we're now working with the faction, so we put in the SQL SPR for the faction. So we now have type. The comma, that, delete one of these, put that there, delete one of them, there. On the faction, we're now looking at the type. The type is the value, and that's just our type. You can see that. And the reason why that is a number and we've got an num system is because it's taking up less space in the database, and it will mean querying that's faster and just a tiny bit of conversion time, which we have on our side. So the bigger the database is, which this is going to be a very big database. Sort of not, there'll be logs on players which have probably only played on the server once. And you're just there kind of thinking, there will be logs on that. So we're going to want to make this as efficient as possible. So the searching stuff, you're going to want it fairly decent. However, you may have noticed earlier, if you look down here, we cache the data. So we have a loading function here for the faction stuff. Which is the reason why is that it means that we don't have to do anything major. And this here is just us dealing with the SQL, so this is actually us storing the data because we actually have to store it. But obviously, it would be stupid if we didn't. Anyway, let's get back to what I was working on. So we now have that, and now we are storing a string. So this is our str, which we've been storing in every other function. And there you go. We can now, if we don't need that there, we can put that there, because we know that we have never had this before. So now in here, a really strange one. It's the first time we've had anything to do with it, but instead of updating the names, we need to insert the name into the table because they have never had any data at all logged into the database, and so therefore we need the ID, the function, the type, and the value. So what I'm actually just going to do is I'm just going to copy and paste this and move it up.
Oh, okay.
Oh, hello, there you go. Someone who's joined the Discord.
Hello.
Hello. I'm doing a dev stream, so on my YouTube if you want to find it.
Oh boy.
Yeah. Okay. So type C, this is our number, so we can remove this line of code here, or not line, this section of code. I'm going to replace that with a 1. And then this just becomes the name. And yeah, so how have you been? Camo?
No, not camo.
No, Wardock.
Try again.
Ah, sorry.
Yep. Yeah, try again.
Yeah, try again.
See American, not the Canadian.
Yeah, you're...
What is your YouTube?
Starlight. I basically googled Garry's Mod Starlight JVS and then looked at channels. And I was the only person who came up for that search. Anyway, so with this, and that. So we've got the conversion here. So now we just set this here. Just set that equals to the old table now. And then that's how they're done. So now if I run this through, I should hopefully get my script errors. So let's give that a go. We have a script error. That's nice, and I didn't even run it yet. That's always a good sign. 51 comma down. No more script errors. None that I can see. So we're gonna. Oh, so we're gonna do a Lura now. This, and it has magically started to allow me to do deleting. So what is the ID of Gamma? 19, 17. 17, and then the faction that we're going to be using. Oh! Alt. And then we do Sith. 1 to 8. Data is nil value. I'll change that line up there eventually. And right. Now I'm just going to put this in here.
Funny thing is, I can't find your YouTube, but I can find a lot of stuff that you've made or co-made.
Really?
I can't find your channel, but I can find a bunch of stuff on the Gary's mod on the Steam Community Workshop with your name on it.
Oh wait, what are you? Right, send me a link to what you're talking about or whatever.
There.
If not, I can always just load up. I think I've got an image which stops recording my screen for a bit. Let's have a look at this. Oh,
Yeah,
you need
it's
some, like...
Spanish for some odd reason.
Oh, I think I know what you're.
Don't try this yourself.
Wait, Spanish? Oh, yeah, no, that's actually my workshop.
Yeah, but somehow it turned it into Spanish.
That's because you have a. It has been accessed most by people using the Spanish library. Spanish people, or language, that's the word, have been the main people
Language
using it.
Spanish people.
So that is why it is like that. Okay, that's that done. So we should now have Sith and Jedi, yeah. 1, 3, 7. There you go, so it's working like it should do. So if I copy and paste this after, it works. So I've done all the SQL stuff. We can then do a check, see if value is no value, if not val, then there you go. Now if I run that, we get an unpulled message, but if we now print, now do a lower run and that table, log. We have no, we also have Jedi 17 corruption and name. So now if I keep running this 1 through 7. Can do value.
Music.
Oh, I'm assuming you found it then.
Yeah, I found it.
Yeah.
I subscribed.
Okay. Yeah, the music
Visually.
it's basically it's music which I'm actually able to use.
Yeah, because a lot of things you aren't.
Yeah, which is why I use it. Function now. Ooh. That is strange. I never need to drop that database. Yeah. I don't actually have enough database up there, so that wouldn't even work anyway.
So weird that it's almost 9 o'clock for you.
No. Yeah. Not that bad. The Jedi Young and Gamma. Faction is
It's
nil.
almost 3 for me.
Have I relied on... I've used faction all of this, except for this line up there. And down here. And here. So I need to fix that bit there, but other than that, this is starting to... Well... 140.
Give me the reasons to doubt, try to keep me down, but I'll put the flame out, you can't get to me. Throw your sticks and your stones, go break all of my bones.
Name
You
apparently
won't
becomes
ache my
now.
soul, you can't get to me. And there is no barricade that I can tear away. Shoot me down to fire away, away. But I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight. I'm a
Oh, right there.
But I'm a heavyweight.
Okay, that looks right.
Hmm?
141. There we go.
Push me down to the ground. What goes around comes around. You won't put the flame
have to do a
out.
print of
You
this.
can't get to me. Say what you wanna say. Go take it all away. But I'm here to stay. No, you can't get
We have
to
that,
me.
we have corruption,
And there is no barricade
name,
that I can
there are no
tear
spirits,
away.
but there you go, we now have a list of all my all this guy's force powers. So, as you can see, all of his force powers are 1, he has a corruption of nothing, and these are all of the force powers he has access to, and he has all the force powers because he's given them. And now we need to fix the networking issue, which we have, which is because I forgot to util any of this. So We also don't actually know if this is being stored in the database correctly yet. So it'll be interesting to see how this goes. So if we wipe the old log, and what else do we need to send? Nothing. Don't believe. So now if I run this command one more time, not that command, that command. So we got that, and we don't get any script errors, do we get anything on this side? So we are Sith on this side, right? That's not helpful. Here we are, Sith, cool. So that's what we wanted there. So now we can work on the panel side of things, which is here. So if we open this panel, which is low underscore run underscore cl pl underscore log underscore panel, we get panel open in the list of anything. Dbl is equal to get player logs. So get player logs. It's never received the white log before, has it? So that's what on there.
Can you?
Why?
Why? Who was that?
I heard like a kind of really loud.
Yeah, it was a scream. Someone came in here, screamed, and left.
Oh, nice. Script errors. Wonderful. What's the script error? Table expected got a nil value. So that means this is not now working correctly. So if we print ID action, press send. If we print here, so we get the message. Let's have a look at this. So we run this command again. Did 17 Sith. Cool. And now we have a look at this. We never get that, so it's an issue with the player get by faction. Is that interesting? I would assume that function worked, but I think it's something which has been in for a while. Switch extensions, play a little lower. Love. Yeah. I don't think we need that.
Hello, Doc. Welcome to the stream.
So,
Doc hates streams.
Yeah, that's why I didn't join for the longest time. I need to start with stream.
there you go.
You know, this Death Star map kind of makes me want to do an Imperial RP.
Yeah, but then it's King Pond, so you have the big issue
It's
of
a good map.
his maps are nice, but they're not RP. People don't like them for RP.
This one's big enough. It's good
Oh,
for
no,
RP.
trust
I
me.
can tell you that much.
Take it from I have spoken with the community which that map was made for, and all of them says it's a wonderful map. You think it would be amazing for RP, but then it's not.
Oh, let's what's wrong with it?
Set text string expected to go to nil value 221. I don't know. I'm just talking to the. I've just spoken to the community which had it, and
What have they said?
that it was. They just said it didn't work at all for RP, and that it wasn't suitable at all. And I forgot to even parent it to the baseman as well. Huh?
Just too what?
Didn't hear a word of that. You kind of.
Said it was too what? You said it was too what? Too small?
Not too small. I mean, it's
I
very
can
small,
see that.
but
I can see that being an issue in certain locations, but otherwise, this looks really close to the Jedi Knight Jedi Academy recreation of it. Yeah, in the mod for Movie Battles 2. This looks awesome.
then I don't remember. But they did say there was something wrong with it.
I mean, Palms did post a thing on his workshop saying that there was some sort of issue for it, but there's a simple fix by like reconnecting or something. I didn't actually pay attention.
Okay.
But it does seem that he did a lot more with props this time instead of brushes.
I'm just trying to figure out what the hell's going wrong here. Because it's putting this panel off the screen. It's not sequential, that's why. So that's the issue there. So table.count. And now we have just everything is down to 3. We still have it at 1033, but now if we print T-length, what do we get? Is that now yeah, there you go, that's an issue, that's not a concern. We do have a length. Screen height divided by 2. Down is that. So we can try that.
Yeah, because the room for the super laser definitely needs to be off elsewhere from the main control room.
Okay.
But that seems a bit ridiculous. Why does Vader need a holocom room on the Death Star? Why can't you just walk up, go be like, "Hey, Palpatine, what's going on?" That's kind of ridiculous. What the fuck? Oh yeah, let's just give him a giant ass room. Oh look, here's a control room. You couldn't have put the firing of the fucking laser in here. No.
I know what's happening. The things aren't sequential, so
Holy shit, Star, the hyperspace thing of this?
yeah, I'm well aware. King Pons is better than it was before.
Yeah, it's a lot better.
Have you seen it destroying stuff?
I have not, but I have seen a little bit of that. Mostly from a screenshot and a video that he posted. It could still use some work because this camera movement is weird. And labeling of the button would also probably be ideal.
Yeah.
Not too sure as to why he didn't do that.
Okay, that could do with some improvement. But for start,
Also would have been nice if the galaxy looked a little bit more like the Star Wars galaxy. Okay, so one button that appears to do nothing for me, one button that appears to do hyperspace, but it doesn't actually activate the hyperspace. It just has a fancy button to push it in. It's kind of weird. Okay. Yeah, there's just a lot of these panels that can push themselves in but do absolutely nothing.
Okay, I'm in two different separate fonts for this, aren't I?
What do half these buttons in here do?
I don't know.
Like, I have selected a planet and I can't hyperspace. Like, how do you actually select the planet? Come on now.
Yeah, I think you can select it fairly easily. It's the actual changing the planets is the issue. Most people weren't able to figure out from what I was able to see in one of the discords I'm in.
Yeah, 'cause there's an extra button right next to the actual hyperspace part, like to get to it.
What eventually?
But yeah,
I don't know why.
maybe lockdown initiate first. If that's the case, it's a little bit stupid.
Okay, now the back and what do I replace the name with player font?
Yeah, that's extremely confusing. So as I said, there's a button right next to it. That's apparently not what you press. I do like the control room though.
Did anyone see who joined there?
No.
Okay.
The bot technically would have logged it.
Barely. The bot would have logged it and then. Good point. It would have, wouldn't it?
Sadly, I don't have access to the audit log.
Stream mode is enabled and therefore I am not able to see it.
Are you able to give me some permission to
That
see
is
audit log?
good, Discord, that is good. I didn't even think about that, but yeah, I'm recording. I don't want the audit log to be displayed.
Are you able to give me some sort of permission to where I can view the audit log?
Yeah, audit logs aren't displayed because they sometimes contain IPs.
Yeah, thank you.
I'm just watching the stream. I don't know. I've been looking at Discord, but I've not been able to catch who's like jumping in
Yeah. Okay,
because
there
I've
you go.
not looked.
So we now do a conversion string to that to TV X.
Yeah.
We now have that string which will be able to be used as an
You know-
index. And
You know what I did to Trilobyte's Star Destroyer? It made it all rainbow. Trilobite saw it and replied saying, "The hell is this?" I went, "I made your map better, you're welcome. Next is the Death Star. And I've improved upon it since the Death Star is 99.999% models. I have to improve."
Speaking of the Death Star, do you happen to know how to engage the hyperspace?
I do! Yes.
How? Because
No
I
one else
can
does.
get into the thing. I just
I
can't
do.
engage it.
Lots of people do. It's in the comments. Lots of people have asked, and it's in the comments.
I don't want to go look at the comments. How do you do it?
It's really easy.
There's a button right next to it. Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay, I've been pressing that. It doesn't work.
Yeah, because you need to select 4 hyperspace locations with the button next to that. 4.
4.
4. It has to be a maximum of 4. A minimum of 4, and then a maximum of 4.
That's stupid.
Nope. It's not, because you have to plot a course. So, to be honest, it's not.
I left clicked and it was like, nah, you're not gonna. That's not gonna happen.
Yep. You need to get 4 locked in.
Okay, so I have to choose close to my current. Okay, that makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
That doesn't.
Do you know how to find the super laser? Because I made it rainbow.
It's right next to where I was looking.
What, the turbo laser?
Not where I was. Okay, so basically, it's right next to the control room.
Yeah, no.
Yes, it is.
No, that's not the app, that's the override area.
No, there was a super laser area right next to it.
Yeah, what, where the beam fires through, did you select all 3 buttons in sequence?
okay, so if we delabel.
Okay, well, then I don't know where it is.
Let's use a
Or
delabel instead.
you have to select 3 buttons in sequence. That's the override area to either stop it midway through, or I think he added that. I don't know. I was speaking with him earlier. I was speaking with him just then, to be honest. Me and him good friends. Although I'm not remotely a mapper since I lost the Venator, and Vass won't give that up now.
What, the sub one? Yeah.
No, I mean how I've lost a Venator and Hammer. And every time I went, is it this door? And he just says this door. So if you ever hear that, it's because of that. Because of me messing up.
You lost a Venom.
I lost a massive Venator, yes. You are correct.
Oh.
How? Because I was under the skybox and then I couldn't get back to it. Okay?
You click camera. You then have a camera which you can move and drag, and it's faster than using WSD and stuff.
No?
Yes.
Yeah.
No?
Yeah. I don't even use hammer, and I know this.
You can't click
select
and
on
drag the
grid.
camera.
No,
Yeah,
you can click. You can click on the grid.
I don't use Hammer that much. It's been years since I've done it, but I will happily load up Hammer right now to prove you wrong.
Since when?
Since always.
Since ever.
Oh, confuzzle.
It's been in there for as long as I've been using Hammer.
I know how to do Vasta's map
Oh, what you mean?
protection methods.
Oh,
I know how to do it.
you know how to do these super quick, like 7-minute map compiles with everything mapped.
What, with like 8 yeah, he ties up like 12 computers in one.
Does he? Is that what he's actually doing?
Sometimes. Sometimes I think he uses Compile Pal.
So why does it make sense that you have to select 4 locations when you only go to?
You have to make like in actual Star Wars, you have to make hyperspace. Hyperspace. Plus the Death Star's big, so its hyperdrive wasn't that good, so it would need to make 4 consecutive jumps to get to one place, because it can only jump in a certain radius.
First off, the computer would be creating the route, not a person.
Well, okay. So do you want to? Would you like to write the AI for that?
I pressed the button and only ended up to at Coruscant when I went to go. How does that make sense?
How does what make sense? What did you
I
do?
was trying to go to Kuat and ended up at Coruscant because that was the first point on my course.
Yeah, you didn't select any others then.
I selected multiple.
Are they in that circle that shows up?
Yes.
You're doing it wrong.
Okay. Yeah.
You just are though. I have a Rainbow Venator and it's slowly giving me brain damage and eye damage. So I would recommend a Venator. I meant Death Star. No. Well, yeah, reload the map, but
Yeah.
I've set it to run every time the map's loaded now.
You might make a video on that.
Oh yeah, I will. I've been speaking with Poms about it. He absolutely loves it.
I mean,
Did
the
you
code
guys-
itself
did you
is
guys
pretty
see the,
simple, to be honest.
Yeah, but
Like, how are you doing
you
it?
want to
You-
write I'm writing a Lua BSP like reader. It converts BSP information into Lua, into like a Lua table. Yeah, I
fell
just
down 2 things of ladders. I found that I fell down like 2 down.
stole it off GitHub. I just stole it
the
off
elevator
GitHub from a
stuck?
public. Oh yeah, that's a common bug. That's because you've messed it up somewhere.
I haven't messed anything up. I have not touched anything.
He said
That's
that's
just
just
a
touching all
random-
the buttons.
There's just a random
Not by
elevator
consent.
stopped.
Yeah,
Just a
random
random
elevators stop anywhere.
Okay.
I like the elevators in this map because they spin and all that. Like they do rotations to get to your floor. Also, you know Palpy's tower?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, when you fall down the massive pit that's there,
Let me get back up to it if I can figure out where.
you just no-click through the world. It's right there.
Yeah.
You can see 3 like little models. Also, did you know the chairs spun?
The chair in Palpatine's office?
Yep. If you press E on it and do A or D, it will spin.
Oh, cool. I didn't know that. I thought maybe a button would have done that.
Nope.
Oh, so King
Or
Kong is finally getting
invaders.
an understanding of how to do, how to trigger things. But you know, he's got
No,
So
he's
he's
done
got
that for
wild.
ages because
Yeah,
he
he's
did
got-
that with the hyperspace, didn't he?
Start flying through the map.
done it
Wasn't
again.
thinking of
Like,
the
yeah,
The map
turbulators.
UI instead.
Turbulators use the same
No, he
system.
didn't do that. He didn't do that.
No, he
No,
did.
but your map. No, he didn't. Or Neon or whatever his name is did it.
No,
He didn't do
really, He
anything.
did the map work for it. 'Cause I thought on the
No. He made the entity.
yeah, I'm not talking about the entity. I'm talking about how it interacts with the map. That was done by King Kong.
Interact with the map. No, the entities just spawn there with like, with like a simple
There is more code behind
entity name.
that.
So
I'm
it's
sure
falling
there
down.
is. But to be honest, I'm probably not looking into it. So I'm having to
elevator.
see slowly.
Oh, it teleports you straight to the large tunnel.
Yeah, and then you fall all the way down to the bottom.
Yeah.
Pretty fun. But I've now made it target cube maps, which I didn't before because it gave me an error while I was printing it, but not when I set it. Now I need to go to models, which I need to grab all entities.
Anthony, can you
out of
remember?
the
I'll
Oh,
try
you can control the
uppercase
turbo
or
lasers
lowercase?
in Hangar Bay. Nice. Oh. That
What?
is nice.
Sorry?
Oh,
What?
yeah. Are these stuff? Are they capital or lowercase data types? Do you like the type command?
What? What are these? What for what?
Alright.
I'm confused. For what?
Lowercase.
What's this for? I wasn't paying attention because Doctor was speaking over you.
That was... I could tell.
I'm happily
Samantha,
gonna
were
make
you
this
the-
rainbow finger swap. And get it on front
Anthony.
page. Hello.
Were you the one that came in here and screamed?
Nope. I've been watching the stream the whole time.
He joined after that person came.
Yeah, I joined after
He's normally
that.
one of the people who does.
He's not some weird person that is stupid.
Wow.
No, but one dude came in here, screamed, and then left.
I know, I was in the stream when that happened. I've been watching it the whole time to grab some of that sneaky JBS code. But sadly, it's not ROE, so I'm sad. Doctor, did you see the icon on the actual Death Star workshop thing?
Yeah, what about it?
How it's animated?
The laser? No, I haven't actually gotten to the laser area, but yes, I have seen that.
Yep. On like, yeah, it shows up when you press escape and click on add-ons, it will show up there. It's pretty cool. Not many add-ons have that. Like Willox has one. Who else has one? Two other people have one, except they're using cracked GM Publish. Which I could have done easily, but I couldn't be bothered editing opening Ida Pro and editing some juicy bites. Maybe. Why didn't I think of that earlier? Babbling to myself. Yeah, it's pretty cool, that Perlin noise generator. Where's that from?
From Gearbox.
Oh, is it from Gearbox?
Yeah,
What are you
more-
using that for?
Me? I was attempting to use it for Predator Burst.
For what?
Predator Burst!
Spell and explain, please.
Nice.
It's a secret project. That's why it's called Project.
First. Okay, so the first part's project. It's second one like Aurora Borealis.
Or Boris.
Yeah, we're first.
It's Naruto, isn't it?
No.
No.
Is it not that one?
Nope.
Literally, a lot of projects get named weird things.
Yeah.
Like
It's
the Manhattan
Star.
Project didn't have anything
Hey,
to do with
I didn't
Manhattan.
name this one, someone else did.
Who named it?
Yeah,
Only
Kill
fives.
them. Was it fives?
probably.
Probably got it from somewhere.
Okay, so we've got that. If it's a string. Strings are gonna have that as well. So,
That was a giant looping path. That was another looping path.
Where is this here?
Wait, no, is this the big one?
Maybe.
okay,
who
that
knows?
wasn't-
Who
that
knows?
wasn't.
Go on.
That wasn't looping path.
Okay, now we know the font size. So
Has Cyan even started to work on your map?
uh
'Cause he sure as hell has not worked on mine.
he's got prior
I know he has.
he has too many
What is it?
I
Who
think
is
he
it?
accepted too many maps at the same time, and so he's playing
He
catch
did.
up.
He got like Reborn, and
got,
then he's got
like,
someone else.
Serenities, I think. Serenity or something.
Serenity, that's it. I was gonna say it's either the other one that he got D3A from as a payment.
Okay, so I can't.
Hey, Billy's new admin system out is out. It's pretty fun.
Yeah.
Except it's on the workshop with a DRM, and I feel like that's against workshop rules.
Yeah, it is.
That DRM,
Yep.
is it? I'm gonna report it! Ah!
DRMs are definitely.
Yeah, because Xeon is his DRM, and he's using that in a workshop add-on.
Yeah.
Because his add-on's going to be public, like the main base, except if you want B-logs and B-whitelist, you're gonna have to pay. Even if you've owned it, and even if you're a priority customer like me. I'm special. I don't know how I don't know how I gained that, to be honest. I think it's because I bought it in like 2016. And plus he likes me. He doesn't hate me like any other customer.
Yeah.
Probably because you've helped him with, for example, the fact when he accidentally, after an update, decided to accidentally uploaded his DRM.
Yeah, the
DRM-free
DRM free
version
version, yeah.
of his list.
Although I already got the DRM free. I got it off him. Because secure Gmod wouldn't work when I was on an EH VPS for some reason. Although a 27015 UDP was open. Well, his new DRM works, so.
Sorry, I'm just concentrating.
It's called Gmod Admin Suite, the menus. Also, open permissions. You should probably use that for your admin system. Open permissions isn't that bad.
Yeah.
It's just got a really default Derma menu, which I feel like it shouldn't. But
It doesn't need to
Default.
be. It doesn't need to look good if, as long as it's got.
yeah, but if you want
functionality behind
if you want sales on the Blogs version,
it. Oh
you
yeah,
have to
if
make
you
it
want
look
sales
good.
for it, then yeah. But for actual functionality, it doesn't need to be good.
I have 2 coupons from one. Yesterday, I got a coupon off the Gmod store advent calendar.
Yeah, I gave my coupon away without I got today because I decided to let's get all the coupons and let's just give them away to people.
I got RK inventory yesterday, 50% off, and I got RK inventory today, 50% off. So I went to Kirby and said, can I have it for free? And I got 250%, which makes 100%. That's Kirby's add-on.
Scooters.
Did you know that?
Well,
Kirby has an add-on on Gmod store.
I'm well aware that
And
it
it's-
does.
And it's
Yay!
been disabled. And it was disabled. Haha.
Look at that.
I'm gonna let him know.
I mean, now I need to do the box and everything for it. But yeah, it works.
What are you working on?
I'm working on the... What's the word? I'm working on the logging, the recon system, which Anthony was meant to make for me, but then
Made a great version. What do you mean?
But there you go, it's now working fully. Wait, hang a minute. There's no data recorded for corruption.
I don't want Kirby to make my inventory anymore.
Ooh,
You want to know why?
why?
Because his inventory is exploitable, so it's been disabled on Gmod store. Rip. Rip.
That's not something that you want to hear.
No. Well, I think they're talking about the reason why it is in the dev comments.
Oh, come on.
Check dev comments.
It's dev comments.
No, not comments as in Lua code. Dev comments on Gmod store, which means the content, the moderators, and the developer, and any other people that are in that development team on Gmod store. And the comments in there are private only to them, the admins, mods, and the developers.
I'm just... Okay, so something is actually wrong with code. Helpful. That's now. We do SQL SDR this stuff, don't we? Yeah.
Use SQLite, leave. You use SQLite, leave.
I'm lazy.
MySQL, ooh, for the win. Prepared statements. You write them once and then make a function to use them. It's so easy. I don't know why you always complain. Like, it's only like 10 minutes extra work.
Yeah.
You make it once, you just copy and paste.
But you've also
Rename
got-
some functions,
you have
rename
more-
some other stuff.
There's also more of a delay. So if you're only working on one server, which at the moment I intend to do, then it's faster to go with this.
So when you properly release, I would laugh if, like, that same, like, a week later you have to convert to MySQL. I will laugh.
Why?
Just because you said it's a waste of time. You might have to open another server because everyone's playing on it. Which is good, don't get me wrong.
Oh yeah, it's good, but I doubt it's gonna happen.
How do you know, though?
Actually, good point. Because I'm trying to compare it to my old JVS, which had massive, which got rid of players because it had a 10-minute waiting time for all the data to load.
Yep.
Okay, so
10-minute wait time?
yeah,
No, you're kidding.
no, I'm not.
Jesus Christ. Is that how big the database was or the SQLite database
No,
was?
that was how bad my networking was.
Oh, okay.
But we don't talk about that.
I talk about that now. How bad was your networking? It's like I'm a counselor. How bad
Think
was your
Hook.
networking?
For loop, NW var.
But I can't say much. I was going to do that the other day. Think Hook with a 4 kV impairs inside.
Yep, setting NW
I'm still
var.
not figuring out why it's not working. I know why, but I don't know how to set it. If you get
Oh,
what
I
mean.
know why it's not working.
Yeah, I know because it's the
Again,
thing, isn't it? I
read
can't
around
think.
the function. Or around the hook.
It's the should use custom collision or whatever it is.
Well, that was one of your issues, but you have multiple
Yeah.
issues. Again,
Oh, what's the other issue? I can't find. I looked
look
at the wiki.
around the function, the hook.
The hook should collide
Yes, look around it.
around it.
What does it say on the wiki?
Okay, so right now I'm looking around the around the box with it in. It currently says nothing. I'm kidding. Hold on. Let me pull it up. Should collide. Should collide.
Wait, no, all of this.
I have everything else working but this.
Hang on a minute.
Hook is predicted. This means that in single play, it will not be called in the client realm. Why does this matter?
Oh, it matters.
This hook can cause all physics to break under certain conditions.
Well, yeah.
Bug number 642, which was opened 4 years ago. Sorry. Let me rephrase that. 5 years ago.
Yeah, they're not very good at it, at fixing bugs.
No, they're not good at fixing bugs. Yeah, I was about to say they're not very good at fixing bugs, are they?
But then also, to be honest, it's not. Some of their stuff, it's like it's retarded how they haven't got around to fix it yet. Like people
It
which
Constraint.no collide. Does that do it for everyone, or? Oh wait, should I just use constraint.no collide? No, I can't. Unless I do like press E to phase through, and then it just no collides, and then I don't know. I'm still gonna stick with should collide. This is only called Identity Set Custom Collision Check, which I fix because like in a Think Hook I'm doing a for loop shush. I was thinking of doing it like every 20 seconds to update that, but I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. The hook is is that the one problem? The hook is predicted. The
Yeah.
other problem. Is that it?
yeah, I believe so.
Why is it's not being called on the client realm? I'm putting this in it.
Why is it no value?
It's not coming up as a nil value though, is it?
Because of what
You
I
won't-
said I was gonna fix, and I never got round to fixing. Because it doesn't.
It's in init.lua, so why would it be called in the client realm? How would that matter? I should try in like a 2-player game, shouldn't I?
That was the sound of me slapping your face.
Wow. What's that? What was that for?
Prediction. It's a predicted hook,
Yeah, I know. I got that.
which means you should never, ever run it in only one realm. It needs to run in Shad because it's
Okay.
predicted. Because it needs the same result needs to return client side as it does server side,
Oh yeah.
and
I
it says
forgot what
that.
To be honest, I forgot what predicted, man.
No,
What-
it says
At
that
the time,
in the
it
hook,
was like-
in the should collide hook, that both.
I know it
values
does,
or otherwise physics will break.
but physics never broke.
Because
Still fine. Physics fine.
so we got spirits, corruption. Come on, get
That's
fourth
me
power.
right now. Corruption.
So I got it, but it got me nothing else that I want. Like is that? There you go.
I got everything else to work, like teleport to your pocket dimension, get the person within like 100 to 200 units in front of you.
Oh come
Into your
on,
pocket
that stuff's
dimension.
easy.
I know, I just said that. It's left click and right click, and then just end like trace thing.
Yeah, Zion has been recreating some of the old powers I had. There you go.
I know he has. He got Saber Shield to work, didn't he?
He had David help him with that.
Yeah, Ground Slam is just like doesn't look right. Like it can be taken very differently to what it looks like.
Yeah,
Have you saw it? I don't know if you saw it.
my ground slam.
No, his. Like, it's got like this effect and looks pretty weird because it's taken out of context.
Lightning on the ground, surely.
Yeah,
That's my
and that's
ground
why
slam.
it. Yeah, I didn't know it was yours.
Most of his recent powers have come from AFPS.
'Cause you've not converted it over yet.
Yeah, I'm asking Zion to send me a link to that after he's finished, because I can't be bothered to do it, and he's doing it. He's doing it at the same time. So,
Why not?
but then he also gets his own power as well on the JVS. Which
Oh,
is named
that's nice of you, isn't it?
like it's named after him. He won't get access to it. He might get access to it on his first character.
You'll get access to it when he works up to it.
Well, yeah.
You're
Um,
you're like the all powerful Jedi youngling on his server.
I
Why
am.
does it matter? You are. You're like the killer chick. Like you're like Anakin, but
Well, I
young.
am the only Jedi, which basically, as a youngling, no, not as a youngling, as a clone trooper, with a stun stick, I took on the Grandmaster of the Jedi Order, who had a lightsaber, was trying to fight me with a saber. The difference
At
we had in
last
our
with a
health,
stun stick.
I had 100 health. He was somewhat in the 10,000s. I still won.
It's like Scion or something?
Yeah, I had a stun stick.
Yeah,
He had a
that's-
lightsaber.
that's easy if you know your way around the animation.
But yeah,
Me
there you
and
go.
Poms are good friends now. We were before, even though I did decompile him. I even said to him, first I decompiled your map. Now I'm helping you do screenshots and workshop stuff.
Well, there's a difference between decompiling and
Yeah, I didn't
speeding
use it.
Decompile.
He
Like,
he understood that it was for like 100% educational. Like I was learning from it.
if to be honest, if someone spent time, like, I think anyone, if someone spent time to work on decompiling or breaking something, the good people are going to tell you how they went about it, so that you can fix it.
Scion. His way of like decompile protection is so simple.
Who, Sounds or
Yeah, Scion's no Scion and King Palm, same thing.
no? Sound
They
uses-
shared ideas.
Oh yeah, good point.
No.
They spent
They shared
ages talking to each other.
They were cool, and now I figured it out like on my own. So
Yeah, I've been told my name got brought up into that conversation a few times.
yeah, I think it's
doesn't
because
like me.
we can help. Doesn't he?
No.
Why not?
I mean, I know why he doesn't like me.
Why?
Because of some stuff which, when I hired a mapper previously, what that mapper did, and I decided to go with, yeah.
What did that mapper do? Use his textures?
Yeah,
Oh.
textures,
Yeah,
models.
that guy has a bad habit of doing that.
Fisto?
No, not Vista.
Oh. Okay. At least it's not Fisto. He said he can't tell me what to do. His minions aren't in here. Little does he know, 2 of them are.
He's just...
He,
mean,
he
at
asked
least
me, how do you set up SDK for Gmod? I'm like, you don't need to. Hammer's in the bin folder.
He's more...
I thought you were a mapper.
He's more forward than he was before.
Well, probably because it's the risk that he's going to be a dad.
Oh yeah. I mean, I'm happy for him.
Yeah, so am I. But it's just funny.
But then I also think it's funny. It's like he said, I found out I was going to be a dad, so it sounds as if that child's an accident.
Yeah. Don't tell the child.
There you go. That looks good. And now it's at that for the other side as well.
I bet David's gonna ask me how did I do that animated workshop icon. I can also do a GIF.
Almost everyone knows how to do an animated workshop icon. It's just no one can be bothered to do it.
No, you make the GIF, but then how do you do it? No one can be bothered to do the edited GM publish that someone put on like instructions on the workshop. Like, nah, I tried, and like that took ages because you have to find the right bytes, and some of them are in sequence, and like the codes he put to edit were not correct.
Okay, so that's that done, except for this bit.
Yeah,
So-
I subscribed to the actual the Death Star before it was even like public.
Top,
Oh, it's in full. Yes, I'm gonna have to tell bombs.
okay, so we've got the top, we've got the bottom bar. And now I need to work on the
I
sidebars.
really like how that turned out.
Hmm?
I really like how that turned out, though.
What, the rainbow?
No, I've had the rainbow for ages.
I don't know what you're saying you like how it
I'm
turned
talking about the Death Star animated icon. He's like, how does it get someone's attention? He photoshopped like a mock-up of what it would look like. And then he went, no, it's not very eye-catching. Then he saw a different add-on which had like an animated thing. He went, can you do this for me? I'm like, I'll try.
out. Yeah, I saw that on an add-on. Which I
Yeah,
was
it's like
looking
one's by Willox, which is double jump, and another
Yeah.
one's by
Yeah,
the
double jump.
enhanced. Was it that? Yeah.
Yeah, that's
He
the one I
didn't see
saw.
that one. He saw a different one. He was gonna contact Willox. Willox added him, and then went, "Oh, we figured it out, by the way." after we figured it out after he added him. Sorry, before we added them.
Alright, oh, this is... I don't like this. I haven't written a bar like this sideways yet.
But yeah, I pretty like it. I'm gonna have to do models now. Lua BSP. I don't like this Lua BSP parser because I didn't write it. That's my only complaint. I didn't write it. Yeah. Lua. Plugins. No, it's not that. Not Patcher. Libraries. Oh, lib USB. Oh, he set that separately. Nice. So, I don't know. Lump entities? Maybe? I don't know. How would you do it with my lower BSP?
I'm more concerned with at the moment. Where should I put these bars? Alright, Doctor. Alright. Do you know who's looking at the stream?
I'm not. No, I don't even know what your thing is.
No, text info.
Anthony.
Planes. Hello.
Can you look at this? What do you think of? Do you think I should have the bar?
Hold on.
Like, if you look at the stream, do you think I should have the white bars there or in line with the other big clump?
Hold on.
I'll be back.
There. Or in line with the other big bar.
It's alright.
What's in line with the other big bar? Oh, right. Now there's nice. I like that.
Alright.
Like, expanded.
Yeah, I mean, there's going to be a white line going across all of these going down. So it will probably, I don't think it will fully line up. There seems to be a small offset there, but
When you're one part close to shutting down your whole school's internet. Pretty fun. I need 3 more parts now, and then I can do it. Like, the thing is, I made a working and good version of that player log system, but it's not how you wanted it. Probably want to move that, like, out a bit, or move the text in.
oh yeah.
One of the two.
Probably what I'm actually going to do
But otherwise it looks nice.
is actually, instead of putting it here, yeah, I'm currently docking it, so the text is a bit hard to move, and I don't really want to put it in the middle. But if I set a dock margin, that's perfect, a dock margin.
Yep.
Now how do
Do it.
Just trying to figure out how I could, what I'm going to do to dock that. Anyway, so on the scroll panel,
No data record.
what we do on the
Mr. D.
scroll bar,
Line 86, you Mr. D. Line 86, you Mr. D. Will cause massive errors, but it will trigger me.
I don't see what you've done now.
Recorded, not recorded.
Oh,
Yeah, there's nothing to do.
recorded. Thank you. I knew it didn't look right.
I was gonna say that's not right. Recorded. YouTube. Upload your recorded videos. You're back.
Sorry I kept you waiting forever and a day. But now we're out here together with nothing standing in our way. Can you feel the attraction? Feel the attraction. Can you feel it between us? This energy's inside us like electricity.
crickets.
Can you feel me? Ooh, can you feel me? Blonde hair, blue eyes,
I'm back.
that'll make you faint on sight, but she looks like
No one in here?
trouble. Her
Nope.
lips so kissable.
He's just quiet.
I know she won't be good for me, but I don't care, 'cause I know it's so rare for a guy like me to get a chance to see the girl like her, and I won't waste that chance, 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 waste that chance. She got me like. Her looks, I assume they come with a price. She's smiling, but that may just be a disguise. I wanna say hi, but I'm scared she'll kill me. Could we? Will we? Would she? Probably not. But I don't care, 'cause I know it's so rare for a guy like me to get a chance to see the girl like her, and I won't waste that chance, 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 waste that chance. She got me low. Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night. Race all of these broken dreams in flight. And we'll fly. I will fly.
Up here, we're free, bound only by frozen memories, lost in time, racing all these broken dreams tonight, and we'll fly.
Hanging by a thread, hung upon all the words you said, breaking free from this conformity that you force on me. Everything I do is one big show. It's about damn time that I take control. Put me under a microscope and watch me take control. What's this? I finally read this helplessness. Tired of feeling like I'm upside down, so I'm gonna turn it all around. And and dear God, save my soul 'cause it is blood. Tired of feeling like I'm
Is anyone even still here?
I'm here.
Trying to think how to get all the models from the map, but I can't tell, to be honest. Pretty good. Using this Lua BSP thing is pretty confusing because not all stuff's well documented. Only like texture bit is, and then that's it. Rest is pretty much dead. You guys should use the Death Star map in ROE. It'll fit well.
Well,
It's like
ROE is
you're-
dead.
Is it?
Yeah, it's no longer ROE. I no longer use ROE.
Why not?
It just
What's
didn't
it
work.
now?
Huh?
What is it now? Why is the Doctor still? Oh, is it Clone Wars now?
Yeah, come on. Screwdriver.
Okay.
What?
What? What?
I was muted. What's going on?
I was saying you should use Death Star for ROE.
Yeah, but see, the thing is that'd be ROE, and that Star wasn't made yet at that time.
No kidding. Yeah. Nope. No kidding.
Maybe I should use it for Clone Wars. Be custom lore.
But that's ROE then.
Not really.
Yeah.
Custom lore.
ROE was custom lore.
No, ROE is actually a true thing.
No, it isn't.
It is in between Empire and Republic. Yeah, that was a thing.
Yes, for custom lore. Yes, exactly.
Most
same
of
thing,
the
yes.
battalions were pushed over to 501st, but that still exists in lore.
Yeah, I know. I know it exists in lore, but like, it was literally in a title, custom lore. Literally.
Mm.
Also, you might as well just say they built it early. And
Also, originally I was told that there wasn't much lore behind it because the guy doing it, of course, didn't really know that there was lore behind it.
What, Nordic didn't know any lore about?
Yeah, he thought there was no lore behind it and that we'd be able to do whatever we wanted with it.
That's stupid.
which is pretty true though. Like you could do whatever you wanted.
I mean, you could, but... Irish never worked. From what I've seen.
Apparently Death Star map has like quite a lot of Easter eggs, like one's Order 66 and Arabash.
Yeah, I've been told.
By who?
What's his face? The guy behind him. The community for running across to a load of Easter eggs in it.
Oh, Undead?
Yeah.
Yeah, apparently Shenzi was paying like over like $200 for this. And it kept crashing on players
Yeah.
because of his protection. But you gotta do what you gotta do.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't tell you how it works.
I've no idea.
Hold on. You're a smarticle boy, aren't you? What are these? I know there's like an Order 66 Easter egg. That's all I know of. And some others, but you forgot about them all. Too bad it has to be extended to the 3D skybox, but it's a pretty cool idea nonetheless. I have a 3D skybox, but I could never get it to work, to be honest.
Have you got the stuff that you need for it?
No, like, I have one, and it, in quotes, works?
So I'm assuming you have an actual 3D skybox that there might be
Yeah, it
stuff that
works
you
fine.
need for it.
Yeah, well, it works fine, it's just that the positioning of it is, like, weird, so I can't get it flush. I'm gonna make an airlock
Look at all the
device
babies.
which actually sucks you out. I don't know why Palms didn't add a gravity thing. Pretty sad. I'm gonna message Palm and see if we can add that. A gravity thing, so like if you walk out of main hangar bay, you get your gravity set, and if you walk back in again, it'll be good for turbo lasers.
Yeah.
Because like there's this brush thing which whoever walks through it or like
And
triggers
what
it,
about what you have?
that's the gravity. It's pretty fun.
I've seen it used.
Yeah, it's in Siren's map.
Yeah.
Like he's using the wrong gravity. It's the gravity that like makes you never stop moving, which is like the proper gravity, but it's not the best gravity. I'm still stuck on area portals. Poms has got like a few communities maps taken down. Like Geetsley's, which is on the workshop. You know, Supreme servers? Like the copy of Superior. No one know them? No? No one?
I'm writing code. It's actually writing code.
I has arrived.
Hello there.
Hello there. I'm so tired.
In the Death Star map. No. Victor,
What?
have you seen the Death Star map?
Oh, they released it?
Yeah.
Then no, I haven't seen it.
It looks really nice.
How nice. Like on a scale from 1 to 10.
A lot better than the Venator. A lot better.
So, a 9.
Yeah, and it has a lot better of a hyperspace to a degree.
To a degree.
It's awkward to use, but it looks really nice.
Well, I guess I'll look at it eventually. I'll put it on my to-do list.
Wait, I'm gonna head back over to the other
Oh god, there's so
So we
much
don't
content necessary.
annoy Star. I'm gonna head back over to the Discord so we don't annoy Star. Well, he's
Where did
Apparently we're going back to the other Discord so we don't annoy Star.
Don't know why. And I feel like that's enough stream for today. It's how long? 2 hours and 30 minutes. Yeah. I mean, that's so much of it done. Like, I've got to redo that button, but then I've got to redo most of these buttons anyway, so I need to work on air design. I'm thinking I'm probably, for a lot of them, actually going to keep with this style. A lot of like the bulk displaying of data. Alright, there you go, this is a scoreboard which I'm actually quite happy with. Might stick with that. Scoreboard like this. Because like this has a scroll bar, but you can never see it, so I put this scroll bar in. He thinks it's just a copy. I think it's just a copy and paste, isn't it? Yeah, it is. There you go. Yeah, so I mean this takes longer to load up, just as a whole. There you go. Now we do a lower. I don't even remember the name of the panel now. Let me see how this handles it with the script arrow. That's wonderful. Yeah, that's just what how you want it to handle the fucking script arrow. So one thing which I haven't actually tested yet is how valid this actual data is. So I don't know if this is saving or not. So I need to work on that, but for now I need to also look into why as function to the print. There you go, that's fine. We load up the character mod, which is running in the isolated window. No, run it, we've got no script arrows, but we have nothing. Yeah, that works. Probably seems a bit weird there. I still haven't gotten that from that's nice. I was expecting to get a thing above what's the word? What is the word? Anyway, so what we're going to work on now is a final bit. In initialize. Do I not have a G initialize? Or is that in shared.lower? Shared.lower and it already
Bro, that music is loud.
Is it loud?
Yes, it's so loud.
Okay. My screen is quite quiet, but then again I'm listening to it through mine. Okay, so we're fetching the data. So when we spawn in,
Brother, how you have two Garry's mods open?
I'm running this Garry's mod here in an isolated window, using a program known as Sandboxy to do it.
Oh, nice. So kind of like a virtual machine.
It is literally it's basically
okay.
It's one of those things which it was designed so that you can run viruses to see what they do. But instead of running it on a virtual machine, you run it in an isolated bit of your database.
So Oliver.
Yeah.
I'm gonna assume that you never finished any of those blueprints.
Blueprints. No. And you went.
I want to do a massive mapping job, but I want to start from scratch and make textures and stuff like that.
Okay.
And then that way I can redeem myself. Apparently.
Yeah, you went really quiet.
I did stick Garry's Mod for like 4 months. Yeah.
Yeah, so I basically have gone with, I've given that job over to Scion.
Oh, no shit. That's
Yeah.
gross.
Okay, what was I doing? There isn't the syncing in there for the logs yet, so...
Well, do you have anything that I could make?
Well, I do need I guess, in theory I do I need CW? What do I need?
I'm muted. And I've
Yes.
been
Yeah, you
talking
muted
the
yourself
whole
a while
time.
ago.
I know I did. I was gonna say, make me a Venator as a starting.
What do you want? Send me
Venator.
dates. Like from scratch or just like a really fire ass edit that doesn't look anything like.
I don't care. Use sci-fi textures for all I want, but I bet you don't have all 86.
Like, I'm the one who gave them the Riddick.
Yeah, I know, and I bought them.
Yeah.
Well,
Oh, I wasn't actually the one who
Justin,
sold them
you
to
sold
them,
them.
so technically I didn't sell them. It was Hotel who sold them, and then
Yeah, well, I'm in the process of converting them all right now.
I have them. I can just. Do you want them? I can just send them to you.
No, it's fine. I've bought it, but I only want it specifically done for each of them because it's special. It's a special way I'm doing them.
Oh yeah, I'm trying to make a vinegar to redeem myself from being called a map thief.
They're not wrong, well.
Even though a lot of the shit that I make, I only use assets. I don't really take brushes or something like that.
Still use that, yeah. Well, you still use Thomas's assets without his permission.
Well, I couldn't ask him because I was blocked. So either way,
Yeah, because you decompiled. Well, your friend decompiled his map.
Yeah, multiple years ago, and
yeah, it was a while, multiple years ago.
Well, okay, he started to dislike me when I offered to pay him money for his Camino assets, and then he thought I was trying to take them.
Why do you release those Camino assets in a model pack? Everyone uses them.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Like, I tried offering to buy them, and like just
He's selling some Death Star stuff on Sketchfab.
Yeah, I asked him. I was like, "Hey man, can I use your textures because they're kind of unlocked right now?" And he took it as, "Oh, I'm stealing everything." And then that's when he called me out on his Camino map. And then after that, he just had a dislike for me. And then I was
He's selling some like Death Star wall frames because they're released into Gmod. And like he's selling the TIE Advanced, I think. If not, he might not be selling this one. I don't think he's selling this one actually.
And then I've pursued him trying to like apologize and like kind of fix everything, and he blocks me everywhere.
He's selling
so I can't really do anything.
You can like use it in different, like $13 for a C-3PO hiding place in quote.
On Sketchfab?
Yeah, on Sketchfab.
Like I even made an alt account to go talk to him, and he, I guess, figured it out.
Yeah. What was that? Was it your CS account?
Yeah, it's my CS account, but I went to go add him so I can like discuss the entire situation with him.
Your real name on it is the same.
Yeah, I know.
You're friends with him. 2.
Yeah.
3, you're on your alt account and your main account is on the blacklist of Star Wars RP Developers Discord.
I know.
So that's why your alt's there.
I mean, people still come to me for fucking jobs and shit, though.
Yeah, I know. Toxidation was gonna go to you, but then Gordon swooped in.
Yeah. Funny thing was, I was gonna do it for free. I'm doing a job for Zim from what's it called? I think it was Synergy.
So onto Recon.
Synergy.
But
I recently did one for Synergy.
Yeah, they're having me remake like Coruscant.
Oh yeah, he did a base, I think.
Yeah, he mainly optimized it and fixed a few things. I mean, there's still a lot of like really steep steps on there that are like really fucked, and a few shadow problems.
He doesn't fix any of them. He just does what the client asks, and to be honest, that's all you should do.
Yeah, you should only ever do what the client asks and exactly
Otherwise they'll
what the client
scream.
asks.
Yeah.
Not,
but, yeah.
I don't quite know what the client wants, so I'm going to do what I think the client wants. And then I'm not going to fix it if it's wrong.
Then not good fit them as they're using. But yeah, I was on King Poms's map earlier. I figured out how to do an animated workshop icons, which works in Gmod as well. Pretty fun.
But yeah, I'm remaking that Coruscant base. Rapid wants me to do, because I started a Jedi temple or a Sith temple a while back, but I stopped. That's what I pasted in that Discord.
I've invented
Jedi
temple than you. Right.
I bet, dude.
I've got the one from Trees. It's pretty cool.
I mean, I had the rights to edit that one as well, so.
What, from Elemental?
Yeah, like I talked to Trace and he gave me rights to edit that map.
Yeah, but only, like, you're not a client of the... It's fine. They got an update from Scion anyway.
I know, I saw it was pretty shit.
Down. It's a copy and paste from a map, which is what they exactly wanted. They literally said to him, copy and paste it from this map.
I wasn't a part of the community when they were talking about that edit. I was only part of the community.
Although he said he literally couldn't because the geometry's messed up in that map. He's not wrong. It's all
I mean,
broken.
it's a BK map. It's a BK edit. It's bad in the first place.
What, the consular class?
No,
I'm talking about the consular class. No, they wanted to copy and paste of the consular class shit from a different map onto their Venator, which will
Yeah,
be
I saw
for
that.
events.
Alright.
Close. I didn't even realise it was you, and then I was talking, but then he was watching Doctor Who.
Yeah. My girlfriend's watching Rick and Morty.
Oh, sounds like the Doctor Who theme.
It did for a second.
I was gonna say, it's like, who's watching Doctor Who?
There's a lot of good assets here on Sketchfab. I've never been to Sketchfab.
Nah, you can easily rip them.
It's like whole like levels
Cough,
in here.
wink, wink. Yeah, yeah, you can just rip them using Ninja Ripper,
Oh, I don't know how to use that shit. Fuck that. I've tried using it once. I don't know how.
I think. You can just look at it up.
But I don't really have the patience to deal with it.
It's not hard, you just set Google Chrome and then reload the page on. To be honest, you can probably get it from Network on Chrome. Preserve log. Pause, refresh.
Ooh, it's a Spider-Man suit. I don't know. To be honest, I might just make that temple that I was working on for you, Oliver. Like I started.
Okay.
We'll see what it turns into from there.
I'm doing a custom fence and I still need to do the lighting. And I'm still stuck on area portal.
Didn't you come to me asking for
I
lighting?
did, and then I found a program that could, in quotes, auto do it, but then it didn't work. 'Cause it was for not that engine, that I didn't realise.
Yeah. Yeah, there's no shortcuts with Hammer, sadly.
Yeah, I know.
Especially something that easy.
I was gonna send you it, then like it's got some pretty sweet optimization in there. Sion did it. 'Cause I sent him an add-on in return.
Well, I mean, the guy sits at home all day. What do you expect?
It's literally the sub map. There's some main problems with the Death Star earlier today.
I want it right now. It's pretty cool.
He gave me permission to upload that one screenshot before it was actually out.
Nice.
Everyone was like, how did you get on it? And then I was set as contributor on the public add-on by accident. On the bottle pack add-on. Pretty funny. Pretty cool, but I don't really like it personally. I do like it, but
The Death Star?
yeah, I like
It's just,
it.
it's good.
but
It's
too
just
big.
really big.
Yeah,
Like with
Like the
his Venator, it was good. It was just big.
yeah, really big. Like mine's just literally the suck Venator. Like that's it.
Mhm.
That is my Venator. Not even edited in the slightest yet.
I want to make a edit from V3 because I'm friends with Stetsuya now.
It's
Yeah, but anyone could
it's
freely edit
V3
V3.
is anyone can edit V3
Yeah,
Yeah,
It's all
so I was
V2
talking
or
to,
V1.
because all of
I was
Anyone
talking to
that's-
him. I was talking to him about maybe if he wanted to like collab on a map or whatever. But he said like once we come up with like a good enough plan, then we'll make some.
I don't think he collabs anymore. He's more of a lone now.
I mean, Statura, he came back not that long
Yeah,
ago.
he's back.
Is it like
Yeah,
a
no,
month,
yeah.
less than a month or two?
He's actually like mentoring me on like mapping, like being better at it, like optimization wise.
Okay.
He's a good dude.
Um,
I wasn't expecting like somebody like I don't know, I just wasn't expecting that. Look what I found.
Spent another year on a map. That's on front page within 20 minutes.
I mean, he uploaded one map yesterday and it was a small map. It was the downhill map and that's already on the front page.
Did he do it yesterday?
Yes.
Do you upload? Wait, what?
It's not True North, but it's just like a downhill map.
No, he never uploaded any map yesterday.
King Ponds is one of those devs where if he releases an add-on, it will reach the front page.
Oh, we're talking about King Poems? I thought we were talking about Statua.
No.
No. I mean, Statua is probably as well because of how old he is, and then you've got the connections for the devs he's with. So Statua is very big. Like there aren't many people which are in an RP community which hasn't heard of Statua or know of Statua's work.
Actually, most admins don't know who he is because no one cares about their map. Apparently, as it was shown by a community that got their custom map taken down by Poms. They had his textures in it. I forget who. Someone. Another community got their map taken down, and now their server shut down because of it.
And all it really is you can just throw it back in Hammer and change it. I mean,
change all the textures, but like it put them off track a bit. I think they're going to come back up soon, but like they're a Russian server. It's that Supreme servers, copy of Superior.
Never heard of it.
I mean, yeah, it's the Russian clone of Superior. I'm banned from Superior.
There's a lot of Superior type servers coming up with a lot of the same add-ons.
There's been an increase in school
I've got a SUP like admin in my community, and he noticed some of the models from SUP because they were on the workshop for quite a while. Even the new Arc ones, someone uploaded them, and I went, yeah, I downloaded them and kept them because apparently they got in trouble with someone, and, like they were going to delete all the add-ons. So then the creator of the original ones comes into the Discord and say, where'd you get them from? And then jumped into a voice chat and started screaming at me. I was like, here's the workshop link that they were on, but it's an archived version. He wasn't the best person.
If they're on the workshop,
Jacob King, that's him, right?
Who?
Jacob King.
Is that King Pom? No, it's not King Poms. Jacob, then S. Jakob, not an S. Jakobb. I can probably tell you it actually. JOKOBSAILER. Killer. Right. I'm trying to open this. Come on, work. One new comment. Where was this comment? Nature's course. Not again. Do you fight with nature or? Oh my gosh, this guy's saying, "What is this?" I'm like, it's a game, but they should have a description. I'm like, no, just go look at the stream. Do you fight nature? Like, no, it's just evolution. Like, we're gonna delete it in a minute. The way this is going.
Probably. Oh, I mean, I'm really excited for next year's.
Probably won't be on.
Huh?
I'm guessing it won't be on. I'm literally guessing it won't be on.
Why?
Nuki's gone, and they were the main connection to Gmod Store who gave them partnership money, the majority of their money.
Wait,
and
who?
advertised it a lot.
What's
Nuki's
happening?
gone.
Wait,
I've never heard of that.
You mean as in he permanently left?
Yeah, he's permanently left, like Gmod Store and all that. And then, like, everything Gmod related, he's left.
Okay.
Gone.
I doubt it because it's a big thing now.
Yeah, it's a big thing, but
And
there was a few years where it wasn't
Gmod
on.
Store will probably stay with them because a lot of their staff were judges.
No, one of the staff were judges.
I thought quite a lot of them were.
Craphead, that's the only person that was staff that was a judge.
Matt?
Matt's two as well. Yeah, sorry.
Matt,
Nuki was staff at the time.
yeah, Nuki, there were other people on the team which were still as well.
That's it.
What about Gronkle? Isn't he?
Gurgle?
Gurgle, that's his name.
No.
Okay, I thought he was doing
He's a
stuff.
content creator though. Like, he made content, but he works at Steam.
That's it,
He's
yeah,
a
I remember.
Steam employee, not a Gmod store employee.
Yeah, he's an arrogant little prick. Not little, but he's
Who,
a prick.
Gurgle?
Yeah, Gurgle.
Why? Well, isn't everyone at Steam that?
His opinion is that I don't know you, but you have to be an idiot. Is his general opinion of everyone. And it's kind of like, okay, cool. Not everyone is an idiot. Okay, and that is the recon system done. I mean, I do need to test it, but I will test it at some other point. Okay. That is a whole load of things that I now... I mean, I've now got new things to work on, but that's loads of things which I have been putting off for ages. So, that's good.
Mr. Freddy Crew, you're on. I think my grandma says she got it. Alright.
We should get around to doing the master system.
Oh my god, I'm dying.
It's been a while since I've ran a server, and it took me a
Can
hot
someone tell me
minute.
all the props that are going to be in a map? Isn't it static, physics, dynamic?
Yeah, statics, physics, dynamic, and prop dynamic override. Pretty sure.
Override? Yeah, I don't care about override.
Halo cards? Nice, all of them are nice.
I didn't
God.
even know you were an Osiris.
Well, I just joined to tell Oliver that the music on his stream was mega loud.
Oh.
It's not that. I mean, maybe it gets a boost going through YouTube, because for me it's really quiet.
No, because it is the main volume on your headphones turned down.
Oh, that's true.
Good
Yeah,
point.
because
Yeah.
it doesn't follow with that. OBS doesn't follow with
Good
that.
point.
They
OBS
turn it
follows
down.
with actual
Fucked at
system
the
sound.
moment.
Yeah.
Like they
Wait, how's the
are-
new laptop, dude?
Huh?
How's the new laptop?
Good. I'm really happy with how actually strong it is.
Oh, I just found the prison when I was
Between the
about
C-
to say,
the
I can't
CPU
find the
is,
prison.
It's a Core i7 8th gen. I don't remember.
Or
the number of
i7 in a laptop. That must get hot quickly.
that. No, it doesn't get that hot that quickly.
Server Live Slim Biscuit? Wow.
I might use King Pom's Death Star prison in my map because I quite like the design.
Are you gonna remake it or what?
Nah, the model is, and the doors with the animations is in his model pack.
Oh,
I don't
dead
need
ass?
to remake it. Yeah. I don't need to remake it. You don't even need to ask.
Yeah, I was gonna
Do
send
this
like
to-
an I'm sorry message to King Palms through to Simon, but he ignored me.
I doubt King
I'm
Kong would
here.
accept it.
I mean,
Yeah.
even if he doesn't have to even accept it, I mean, as long as he just like looks at it, and looks it over, and understands the entire situation. I mean, I'm not asking for his forgiveness because I mean it's the internet, but
And King Pom still loves me.
He hates him.
Oh yeah, he
He's
hates
being
me.
sarcastic.
wait, he hates you?
Yeah,
Why?
he doesn't.
He didn't
like.
like me for a while, so TM2 be
I don't think
honest.
he likes a lot of people. But
I think it's just ego mainly.
No, his ego isn't that big.
yeah.
Well, I mean, when you get your big dick on the Gmod store,
He's on
or not the
Gmod
Gmod
store,
store, on
I was
Gary's
gonna
one,
say.
Yeah, like that's one of
he's
the
probably
things
got a
that
massive ego.
he doesn't do is he hasn't done jobs for ages.
He just waits for people to come to him.
No.
no.
Death
No?
Star was a job.
As in, what I mean is in Death Star, I believe was one of his very first jobs because he.
He's had jobs for a while of Lord Trilobite,
Dude, Charlotte's sick, bro. Yeah, I was talking to Charlotte a while back. I think it was a few weeks ago. He's gonna drop more textures onto the little pack thing soon.
What are your textures?
Like his Death Star textures and stuff like that? Or, not Death Star. Star Destroyer and whatever.
Oh, he's putting them in a public pack?
Yeah, he's gonna upload more of them.
Alright.
Because I messaged him asking for permission to use his stuff, and he told me
sent him the what I did to his Star Destroyer, and he commented on the video.
Wait, what?
I did something to a Star Destroyer that no one should ever do.
What'd you do?
Stuff. Yeah, you shouldn't do it. Pretty bad.
Oh, oh, fuck. Oh yeah, the Star Destroyer is getting updated, right?
Oh, it's been updated.
Yeah. That shit's sick.
Hello, I'm a mapper for a Day of Infamy mod. Which is a complete trilogy thing. And he's asked permission to use stuff from his Death Star mod. Won't let you do that. I'm gonna message. I'm just gonna message him. Use his public model packs. They're your best bet. You are.
Why not? Let's work on a system.
You were always kind. That's why I leave you your testicles. From now on, you're my best friend. My son. Thanks, Snuffles.
Is this Holmes' only form of income?
No, he has a job. Lots of people were crashing. Lots of people crash because of Death Star.
I think that's what, because players join my server and once they load in, they disconnect all the way and they join again. I think that's what's happening.
No, it's not. It's his protection method.
You really should get around to fixing that.
Crashes, nah, you probably won't be able to. It crashes 30 to 50% of the time.
I'm pretty sure Sion created a fix for it.
I don't know. I don't think he has.
Because Sion was talking about how it was causing people to crash, but then they found the source, and then they created a fix for it.
I don't think he was told Poms about it, otherwise he would have implemented it like now in the Death Star. Because it happened a lot, especially in beta testing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna see how many people have Death Star. Quite a lot. Let's count, including hidden stuff, including like password protected stuff. 15. All the password protected ones are in their names updating. Like, you know, adding all the text screens and all their props to block all the buttons and all that.
I'm still trying to figure out.
Poms is gonna help me do some mapping stuff. Now that I helped him.
Oh, okay.
You took some screenshots, and now he's gonna help you.
Nah, look at the icon on the Death Star workshop. Look
oh yeah, the GIF.
Yeah, I
That's
figured that out in about half an hour. Well, the people have been trying for months. It's like this whole thread on the Face Punch about that, and like they couldn't figure it out.
Seriously?
Did it in about half an hour. Yeah. Although you can't upload it with normal GM Publish.
It literally. There's a guy who did that, and like he basically explained it entirely.
Yeah, what he literally said is you have to go into IDA Pro and edit GM Publish. Yeah, I know.
Okay, my internet is back. I have no idea what the fuck happened there. If my internet got fucked. Okay, let's. So I've got that copied. Go back to here.
Confession that you're my obsession. You're passing through me. The blood is rushing and I am trusting you'll come save me. My knees are
A lot easier if this isn't.
your body's close to me. I want you to come rescue. Won't you come and rescue
Anyway, Visto. Visto?
Rose.
Okay.
We've been trying to talk to you for ages.
Yeah, I don't know how long I've been fucked for. I think probably 1 minute.
Ages.
Yeah.
What's up, bro?
Do you know what the max size is for hammer units? Like the max size of a map in hammer?
Oh
yeah.
my god, it's massive.
Not off my head.
By the way, you didn't respond before, so you have to make me an infinite map.
Me?
Wait, what do you mean hammer? Like, you mean like
Yeah,
512 by
you,
512? Or
No, not by 5. That's tiny.
Yeah, 512 by 512 is like a tiny room.
Like if you're looking at the screen, 512 by 512 is about where I am. The distance of the
do you mean like the entire map, like grid?
Yeah.
The
Yeah,
entire
it's
grid?
talking about like
Maximum
yeah,
size of
the
the grid.
entire.
Oh yeah. Hold on, let me delete this.
Yeah, you have to make me an infinite map because you didn't respond before.
Like 3,003. I think it's 32768 by 32768.
Wait, what was that? 3, 7,
68.
6, 8. Okay.
Yeah, so Star, did you hear me?
I heard you, and I.
But he chose to ignore it.
And I go with no.
Oh, wow, that bit rude.
I don't know what to make.
Me a Venator.
What do you want?
A Venator.
I know. Remember?
Make exactly what the customer says.
It's exactly what I said.
A map? You just want a Venator?
I just want a Venator. That's lit. Basically, just get the SUP one, optimize it well, light it, add all the entities and doors back, and then give it back, and then...
Isn't that what Cyan said he did? And
Nah,
then said
he didn't do that. He
fix it?
optimized it. He optimized it. That's it. He optimized my version. That's all I wanted. I don't want him to do anything else with it.
Bro, that EN Venator though was crisp.
What,
The
EN?
V3, the EN like third gym that like if I was gonna stay in the community that I was gonna make, it was so nice. It was
EN's dead now,
clean as
I
fuck.
think.
I know.
Yeah, Ian is dead.
A lot of the I'm friends with a lot of the other players who
Is that-
left.
EN is Elemental Networks, isn't it? Yeah.
Yes. Like, it was good,
died.
but Funky doesn't know how to run anything really, so that's why I
He
died.
doesn't, does he?
Uh-uh.
I thought I was the only one who knows.
That's
it,
why.
but
That's
then-
why all his players left, is because they fucking. He doesn't know how to run it. What should I start from? V2 or V3? Which vendor should I start from?
What's up?
I don't know how to get that map.
Decompile it.
That's illegal.
Join the server and decompile it.
I'm
It's
banned.
your- plus, then you'll have to. Are you? Well, so am I. I have like 2 alts. It's fine.
Hey,
One's
hey,
family
Star.
sharing, the other alt. Then one alt's banned.
You wanna join Superior servers and
With script hook on.
yeah, with script hook?
I was testing my anti-script hook. My friend told to join Superior to play with him. Got to uninject it. Forgot to restart my game. I got banned. Apparently, to get unbanned, I need a root user, which is painful.
I'm banned on like 8 accounts.
I'm banned on 2 because I was friends with my alt, and then the Superior admin that's in my community ratted out
Fucking
on me.
snitched on you.
Yeah, because I got the models that were only for them, and then he said to get subs new models, you need to go through like encryption and all. You need to get the encryption. It's like, yep. I just started nodding my head saying, yeah, you're right. It's like, no. It's like really simple to get them.
Do they sell the V1 Venator on the workshop? Does anybody know?
Yeah. RP Venator V1.
It's probably still there somewhere.
That one was the shit. I don't care what anybody says. That one was fucking lit.
It's by just look at Statue's profile. It's his. Although the
Either
nose
someone.
gate kind of triggers me. I don't like the nose gate.
Oh, they got it for the concert class ship. Oh, that's where they got it from. Yeah, that map was fucking sick. I don't care what anybody said. I miss those days, dude. Those were the days when everything was simple.
I think it was simple when there wasn't like 50 Venators on the server at one given time.
Venator V1. I actually.
Pom's Death Star's nice, but there's lots of things I would change with it. That's mostly because I only like Clone Wars.
Alright, I'm downloading it.
I like his I like the Vader meditation seat though. Pretty nice.
Yeah. I was gonna make this one map for these one guys. I got pretty far in it, but I just don't have the time for it.
I like how there's no windows in the map either, so you can jump straight into the chasm. I feel like this is going to be a sign with fail RP next to it.
That doesn't sound like that's correct.
Also, you gain a lot of speed while falling down the chasm. It just shows you how big it is. Like,
I have so many BSPs of shit that I've tried making before and I just give up. I don't give up, I just move on to the next project.
you speed up so fast. Like, if I go to the Emperor's one, then you get teleported to the main chasm.
GSM, Xvenator Extensor.
Stupid.
Decompiled. Oh yeah. I by the way, I never tested the decompilation of lighting with Plum's Venator, by the way.
Didn't you?
No, I did not.
We did.
actually kept
Didn't
forgetting.
compile because you had like 50 billion lights.
Yeah, no, you were like murking me in my PMs. You were like, hey, it's like compile.
Does
I
yours
don't know. I
compile?
haven't tried it.
Yeah, but like you said you had tried it before. That's why I kept asking you.
I don't
You said
remember.
you had tried it before.
Yeah, my buddy did. But I personally didn't.
You should have told me and I would have stopped.
I just forgot, dude. I have really shitty memory.
You don't say. Bloody
I blame
hell,
Gary's
you
mom.
do.
I'm waiting for Emperor to hurry up and up there fucking get my servers.
Go to Tech Networks, use my affiliate link.
No, use my number, my thing for Emperor.
Give us your employee code then, and then
No.
give us your employee
I'm not giving
disc.
Oliver, when are you guys gonna resupply on this?
Use UK servers there and stuff.
I need a dedicated pro ASAP.
Dedicated Pro don't exist.
Whatever, I need a dedicated.
A VPS pro.
No, there is something pro.
Yeah,
It's like the middle tier Gary's
No,
monster.
there is a dedicated pro or something.
Oh, dedicated pro Gary's mod server. Right.
Yeah.
You're better off buying a VPS and install the panel.
Well, I was thinking about that, but I'm just worried about ping.
Oh, what?
I'm just worried about ping.
Well, if you're buying game server hosting, it's in the same location the VPSs are.
No, because
So-
Dallas, dedicated pro for Emperor is in Dallas, and I live in Dallas, or I live in Texas.
Yeah, you can also get VPSs in Dallas. It's not just London.
Yeah, but there's also game hosts, like VPSs that are dedicated for games, but
Game
those are
servers.
overseas. Yeah, the game
Yeah,
servers.
but you don't
Yeah, game
really need
servers are
that.
only
It works
in-
fine without the game server VPS. We're just standard. It works fine. I was using that for months.
It's just
From
the
the start.
game server is more specialized towards it. It
Yeah,
has
more
less
suited.
things which are designed for other areas.
That's why like dedicated pro isn't out because they're waiting for America.
So you're
UK is
saying
better
if I
because
buy
of
a
the
normal
hardware.
VPS,
It will work. Yeah,
it'll
'cause
work
it's an it's an I think it's an E5 in Dallas. I forget.
Yeah, it's E5.
Is it E5? Yeah, that'd be good then. 'Cause I was on a Dallas before they got London, the London location out, so it was fine.
Is the 2 gigabytes of RAM good for their servers?
Maybe like a 42 slot one. Not that many add-ons.
Hmm.
I would say Pro.
2 gigabytes
Yeah.
is fine. for a
Yeah,
server.
for now until you start getting like players. Then I would move to Pro, which is
Because my server goes from like 15 players. Yeah, that's where like will range.
Is that it? Yeah. So the starter will be good for you. It's like Ancient start. Although Ancient has Pro specs, so we've got 4 gigs of RAM and 2
I might
cores.
just get the Pro.
Well, you could get starter and have the off chance that Nathan accidentally installs Pro. 'Cause he's done that like literally to a recent client. Stop listening now, by the way.
There's a reason why he's done that.
Is it?
Yeah. He normally installs Pro.
Oh. Does he now like never install starter?
So we can use the Camino textures, correct?
Okay, there you go. So that explains why
Pretty
this is
frowned
showing.
upon to use. He's been taking them down for any Camino or Venator textures. He's been taking them down.
What was the size again? Was it 3 to 8? Something like that.
Something massive.
Yeah, that seems pretty decent. Yeah, that looks like that works. Yeah, that'll do.
What do you guys know about Veterinary Extensive .rar?
What?
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 Alright.
I'm trying to get models from a map, BSP, it's like being stupid. So, with Lua. I can get textures from a map with Lua, that's how I do Rainbow Time. And it
What's Rainbow Time?
Rainbow Time is Rainbow Time.
yeah, Rainbow
thirsty.
Time is Rainbow Time. It's a party star. Let's forget the Death Star, it's party star when I'm around.
Basically, it's his psychedelic thing, which he has.
Yeah, which I made, yeah. Pretty fun. I like it. Is this one that Palms made, or is this just someone? Nah, someone. That's pretty creepy. Doesn't even have any... It's not even rigged. Why would you get that? It's not even rigged. It's pretty terrible. I'm gonna break the bot again, Star.
It's not as breakable as it used to be. But there you go. Look, I have 2 parts of the map that I'm overriding. I now have 4 more other parts to go.
Okay. I'm done with breaking stuff now. I now have Zelamar's office. And no, stop removing them from me.
I'm not.
Fine. Oh.
You can see
Okay.
my screen,
I'm not looking at the stream though, am I?
but I'm anyone on the stream can tell you that.
Well, it must be the bot trying to catch up, because I obviously crashed it, and then aren't you doing that forever thing that I told you to do? That like auto restarts on a crash? I think you are.
Nah. But there you go. This is looking pretty decent now. Like, as I'm saying, as I've realised recently, how I was doing the ROE stuff for the character management stuff is completely fixable. My issues I had is like literally just this is physically override parts of maps.
You should make me an infinite map.
Well, if you pay attention, because that's what I'm making at the moment.
What? Hang about.
I got your attention. Yeah.
Yes, of course. Of course you got my attention. That's why you asked. I wonder why you're asking that question. I was like, that's a bit suspicious.
What question?
I'm gonna keep my eye on you. It's like, how big can you make him? Why is Ubuntu still going through my files? I did a restart when Nathan added the graphics card to my VPS. That's not normally done. He said it's a first. He's never enabled it before, so it's a new experience for us all. Having a graphics card and a VPS. You should send me all this.
What, all
Hey,
this
Star.
code?
Yeah, you should. Olive. Uses Olive.
Yeah.
Olive. Did it like cut off when you're typing Oliver?
Yeah. My name is Oliver, but for some reason,
No,
like, it has,
it's not, is it?
like when I log in, it says my name is Oliver. But my
Hello,
user
Olive.
drive is Olive. Okay, why? What are you? Am I being stupid here?
I'm sorry, but that is too good. I'm very sorry. Also, what's the maximum of the map that you have? Is it 32768 by
That was a mistake.
32768? Yeah, it is. Do you want to know the biggest up and down as well? It's looks like 32768.
There you go.
Which it is.
And so now I just copy that one more time.
Did you hear what I said?
Nope.
The maximum up and down as a cube, it's 32768. I think cubed if you want volume. I don't know. I forget. I forget. It's like... I'm so tired because of earlier, because of yesterday. I'm so tired. I don't know why Poms just fed the haters. It's like he said, I normally get like 7 dislikes in like the first 5 minutes. It's like, you know. Just realised I could like update G-Bomb's no backdoor with a backdoor. Pretty genius. Update an add-on that advertises no backdoors with a backdoor. It gives me add-on on all your little terrible Dark RP servers. With G-Bombs.
That was not up.
Oh, what? Render.draw quad? Is that what you have to do?
Oh no, this is just the rendering. And this is because at the moment, this is a workaround to the fact that I'm working with maps that aren't completely empty. So this is how you can do an infinite map for, let's say, on a Clone Wars server when you already have a Venator there.
Cough, cough, XD.
You can override the render. Or, let's say you're creating a planet system into a normal map when you want it so that the Venator has walked away. So you just put a cutting plane just under the Venator.
So basically you could have an infinite map that has like a planet in it.
I can have, I can put an infinite map system into the current Venator maps with warping, all of that stuff, with rendering overrides.
Right.
And then have a Venator flying system that is similar to that which you find in Divinity, which is what I am working on for the Clone Wars when I get around to doing it.
Please send. Or I'm gonna make a World Toss commission and I'm gonna specifically ask for you, because you've done it.
No one can specifically ask for me.
Yeah, you can. You can go to World Toss and specifically ask for a dev.
Exactly, specifically ask. I don't get asked for that. I don't get. People don't request jobs from me. They get given jobs from me.
They get given jobs from you? What do you mean?
You know what I mean?
No, I don't. I clearly don't when I'm questioning you. Yeah, but you still, you know, you still should send code when done. Or we're gonna get David to do it.
I mean, David is already working on a system.
Yeah, but that switches map. I think. Will send you to a different server. I think that's what that does.
Does it?
I think so. Don't quote me on any of this, please.
Wait,
You're gonna quote me on all of it.
Oh, I never finished that, did I? So there you go, that's up.
More should give me infinite sunrise. Wouldn't that be fun, eh? Launch HTML5. Why is it doing that? I broke the whole VPS machine!
But then also I can actually understand all the code in Sunrise now, which I am so happy with.
GG. I broke the whole game server VPS.
Okay.
Hope you're happy.
Trouble. I can't tell which one that is.
What?
You do also have the problem of these don't have a no colour on them.
Nice.
So.
Pretty tired. Again.
But yeah, none of these have no colour on them.
Yeah, he's always open for map and model commissions, just that no one goes to him. Because no one's literally serious.
Who is this?
Tom.
Oh, I think my entire computer just crashed.
Ha! Frick. Did you hear me?
Oh, I know why.
Why? What have you done?
Sandboxing.
Did that crash you?
Yeah, I think so.
How are you still talking to me?
Oh no, like, it's just my screen is frozen.
Oh, right. Time for Task Manager when your screen unfreezes. If in doubt, Task Manager. Windows really needs like a set key combination that you can just press and then it closes like old programs. Like the one that's not responding, it just kills it like dead. Task Manager. I don't know, why am I so tired? I've broke a VPS machine. Oh, I almost killed Venator.
Yeah, I was thinking I'm gonna need to log out from this account. So
Yeah.
yeah.
Because I'm gonna scroll. Wait, so before you go quickly, does that mean you're like the infinite map that you're doing? Have you just started it today?
Yeah.
Like in the stream?
Yeah.
Oh, I can get all code.
There is not enough code in there yet, but
I know, I'm sure there isn't. I think your stream's blank, if you're wondering.
oh yeah,
it
it's gone
is.
blank. But then I was able to restart it without there being an issue there.
Yeah, well, it's it changing.
Yeah. However, according to this, my display capture is gone.
It is.
So I'm
Just turn it
feeling-
off and on again. Like, if you could have fried your graphics card.
No, like my screen is fine. Oh, I just disabled streamer mode.
Who's Luna?
Luna?
Oh, it's
Luna-
that guy
yeah.
that like made those JVS stuff.
The guy which made the ship base, which everyone has gone fucking
Oh, he made
mad for.
LFS.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought I recognized Luna.
Yeah. Same guy.
Those are JKA animations.
Yeah, I mean he also.
Oh
did
yeah,
it-
because he imported the rig for JKing to Gmail, didn't he?
No, he rigged a player mod. He ported over a player model, which had the JK rig.
Same thing.
Very different.
Okay. The good thing about LFS is that it's literally got an AI for Star Wars ships that I've been wanting to do for ages and wanted to work on for ages.
Yeah.